They stopped as soon as I started filming. These trees were alive with birds, and it's a sound that I miss during the winter months. So today I've been inside and outside getting projects done, working on things, getting things crossed off the to-do list. But today's project has been mainly cleaning up a lot of the stuff from the windstorm that happened Monday. So there's just some branches that I've been cleaning up through here. There's that one that I need to go get that's hanging off over there. We get a few every winter that break off of this tree in the middle here that's dead. So this one right here has a broken branch right there that I'll need to prune off. This one, I got a broken branch off that was lower, but there's one. Okay, there we go, right here. This branch here is broken off, but it is wedged up there. And I've tried using another stick to kind of get it de-wedged, but that's not working. And since I'm home alone and this ground is not that even, I don't want to get the ladder out and do that by myself. And so I think I'm going to wait to get that one until I've got someone here to hold the ladder steady and spot me. But I've been getting this cleaned out and cleared out, and I'm working right now. I'm going to go cut off some bags off of the yard fixtures that we winterized, because every time the wind blows right now and these bags move, I jump a little because I'm like, oh, who's there? So I probably should not watch a crime show before bed and the day that I know I'm going to be alone. I was watching 2020, so now my best thing. But I love mysteries, but I probably should not do things like that. Anyways, I'm going to get back to work and keep going and just enjoy the fact that I can be out here in my garden shoes and that I can do it without a jacket. So I'm going to enjoy it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.